Yeah man, it kinda greenish here man, so just a work with it still. So, yeah man, so the video coming out, try to release a video every Friday. You can remember, you can link me on Instagram, you know. I think that's a good idea. But I just pick Friday, you know. And every Friday I try to release a cooking video or something. Yeah. Cut it up, just cut it up regular, you know. Cut it up regular. Yeah, regular. Add it in a blender, you know. Yeah. So alright, so add it in the blender, you know. Showing an overhead view. Yes, I see the overhead view here, you know. So yeah man. So just add it, just one plantain, you know, and then put about 1 cup of water. I'm gonna measure it still. So yeah, add 1 cup of water. See the people, 1 cup of water I'm gonna add, and blend it. Then I'm gonna add more. So yes, people, so I'm gonna blend it up here now. So people, I'm gonna add some oats to it, you know. Yeah. It's about 1 cup of oats, you know. Yeah, 1 cup of oats. That. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. Because I add the oats. 1 cup of water. Blend it a little more. I'll add the nutmeg. Just add a little bit, not too much. And I'm gonna add the cinnamon, the ground cinnamon. Get it from Walmart brand. Yeah. So I just them two things that I use now. I use one I have. But I'm gonna finish blend it now. Yes, people, so may I add it to the pot now. Yeah, so put it on a low flame, you know, and wait till it start boil and we add the milk and thing, you know. So yeah man, add little salt and thing too. So yeah, so me I make it so hard, so and then see how it come out. Alright. So yeah people, I don't know, you have to go and stir it and, you know, make sure it's no lump up. Yeah man, so go and stir it, you know. And make sure it's no lump in it. So yeah man, so that's what you got to do, and you know I can add the milk anytime I want to sweeten it and see how it tastes. Yeah. So yeah people. So yeah, so me I go and stir it. Make sure it's no lump in it. Up on a low flame or medium flame. So it not burn. So yeah. So just stir it and stir it and you know, till I get the consistency what you want, you know. And man, this not look too bad, and use a plastic spoon so you don't scrape up the pot. Yeah man, I'm using plastic spoon, and this help to make it not lumpy too, you know. See there? No lump. So yeah man, so you can do it like this, and or if I want it thicker, you know, I make it more, make it little more, you know, cook little more. Always remember, put it on a low flame. Is it or medium, and watch it, don't make it burn, you know. Yeah man. Yeah. I'll pour it out in a bowl, make you guys see it look, and yeah, that should be the end of the video. So remember, link me on Instagram. The only thing I had was ground cinnamon, and nutmeg. Get it from Walmart brand, and condensed milk. Add condensed milk. Yeah. Yeah, you can sweeten it how you want it. Yeah. And I add oats and plantain, and I just blend it and add it to the pot, you know. And I add little salt. I never show that in the video, but I add little salt. So yes people, so this is the plantain porridge. If you want to email me, I am landlordtv at yahoo.com. Yes, if you have any further questions. Yes people, so that is it, you know. Yes, that's how it look. I'm on ticky right and everything. So yes people, so it look, you know. That is it. That is the end result. So yeah people, so like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Yeah, so I'm gonna put up some picture and thing. So yeah people, like, share, subscribe.